staying at home, turn off the phone, I will listen to you. You lay in the sheets, you hold on to me like I'm already gone, and whisper your words like secrets written in an old moleskin. Look up above, the sunlight seems like it is gonna break in, and something ain't right. Yeah, something ain't right. Oh,
good morning, everyone. Delilah and I are off to her big appointment. She has them twice a year at neurology, so I'm all sorts of nerves. I couldn't really sleep much, but I'm feeling okay in the morning up until about 11, so that's when I get the majority of my things done. So we are headed out. It's about an hour 10 drive to this hospital. But it snowed last night, so we're really excited to see snow on the mountains. We got a little flurry here and there, but on the way home we need to stop and just get some extra bedding for the coop. I wouldn't say the chickens or ducks were cold or anything, but I just want it to be, a little bit more cozier in there for them. And then Delilah needs pants. She's tall but thin, so it's a little tricky to find pants that work for her, so I just get the Walmart kind, and I kind of sew a button in the waistband and then make a little hook and pull it tight, and it's really easy. So we're gonna do that. Walmart has those cheaper leggings, and so does Target, but I haven't seen like a quality difference. And my Goodwill's been selling the kids leggings for $5.99, $6.99, so at this point it's better for our budget to grab some from the Walmarts and Targets. And even Old Navy, I just find that their quality is the exact same as Walmart and Target, so why spend $10 extra on toddler clothing? I think it's just ridiculous how much money is spent. I do love Kate Quinn though, so I am going to put an order for Kate Quinn. I really am trying to purchase quality items, but in the meantime we are just going to be huge oil truck. That's a big one. We are just going to be getting like 1 or 2 pairs. So moral of the story, we have to go to Walmart, and there is one close to the hospital, and I believe that's what our plan is for the day, but that we always get into something fun, so we are gonna take you along with us. I do have some organizing to do, and I have a Whole Foods pickup, so I'm really excited about that. I know I mentioned a budget, and I have a whole idea behind shopping at Whole Foods, because I will say when I shop at Whole Foods, none of the food goes to waste. So I am going to treat myself this pregnancy to a few specialty grocery stores that I am still hanging on to gift cards for. My students know how much I love Whole Foods and grocery shopping, so they got me a ton of them when I left, and I just haven't used them yet. And they have really great disposable diapers, so we have that in our order as well. I'm looking at an oil rig that there's some sirens. I'd like to get past that as soon as possible. I hope everybody's okay over there. My goodness. But yeah, I'm gonna hang up. We're gonna listen to the Halloween Kids Bop station. That's been really helping in the car. These are really helping, and then I'll show you when I get home. I created these little bags, and they loop around their car seat cup holders, and they have little activities in there, so we are loving that. So thank you all for your suggestions. Things have been a little bit easier in the car, so let's get into the day. Thank you for being here. Let me know what you're doing today, because I'm nosy and I want to know what you're getting into. Okay, Delilah and I just got back from her appointment. She's doing my hair. Can you say hi? I will say it's not the news we were hoping for. We're happy that we're here and we're able to get the therapies that we needed, but yeah, it was just a little, I don't know, I'm probably not gonna dive into it, but we took a little girls' day to ourselves. We went and got some croissants, picked up our Whole Foods order, and I went to Dollar Tree to just pick up a few things that I hold on to, and then I went to Walmart as well. So that's going to be in a separate haul, but I got some things to winterize the chicken coop on a budget. I know a lot of people do different things with their coops, but I follow several chicken accounts because I'm that girl now, and I wanted to do it with something that I could use for the years to come. I mean, I don't know. We'll see what we do with the chickens when we move across the country. Obviously, I want chickens and ducks for the rest of my life and many more animals. I have looked into taking the chickens and ducks with us, but I've looked into elevation changes and how that could make the birds very sick. So yeah, that's a long ways down the road. But moral of the story, we took a little girls' day and went shopping. Deli semi-cooperated, we shall say. She threw a few fits. But other than that, we had a good day. So I'm going to show you what I picked up at Dollar Tree too, and I'm going to get you turned around and show you my Whole Foods haul. I feel like people are going to be like, you can't save money at Whole Foods. And that it can be true. It can be true. But I want to show you what we got. And not like I need to justify my purchases to anybody, but I deeply feel that if I'm getting things that I know will be eaten, then I'm not wasting money or food, if that makes sense. And that is where my cravings are taking us. So that is what I'm going to show you here in a second. The boys are coming back. They had a little fun boys' day down in Boulder, Colorado, because we used to live there. We have friends down there and some of our favorite spots on Pearl Street. So I'm going to, get you turned around. Try not to be so distracted here. And, say a little prayer for a girl. She's doing good, but we were just hoping for some different news. Della went down for a nap, and I wanted to do this in a voiceover style. So I got some of my favorites here. We spent $73.65. I'm looking at it. I shopped my Prime app and went through all my Prime deals. So these were recommended to me through Amazon Whole Foods Prime, if that makes sense. But we did get the soft and gentle diapers. Right now, I am not doing reusable diapers. It's just I don't have enough energy to do it. So I like the Whole Foods disposables. I think they're a good quality. I also got some popcorn, hoping that would be a snack that I could snack on at night, and some plain pita sea salt crackers. I did get some raspberries, and I was hoping I could just snack on those as well. And then I got my favorite Eat Good falafel snack packs. They're vegan, oil-free, just delicious. I could not decide between these two cakes, which is what led me to Whole Foods. My favorite cake is the berry chantilly. They make a vegan version, and I like it better than the other one, so I got those. And then I got some everything bagels. These were $1.15, and they're made here in Colorado, and they're really good. I also got some organic sharp cheddar cheese, and I'm switching to vitamin water. I feel in my heart that it may be better than Gatorade, but still the ingredients are killing me. I like to splash a little bit in my water and call it a day. I was craving orange juice. I saw that they had these minis on sale for $3.74. I thought that was a good deal. I got these for the kids, the Nature's Bakery chocolate oats. They only sell those at the Whole Foods here. When in doubt, I eat this Roman raspberry dairy-free sorbet. I can eat a little bit of that at night and I'll be fine. My midwife and doula have suggested I eat almonds, but they did not specify if they needed to be plain. So I got some dark chocolate. I really love the Lily's brand. Rowdy Mermaid makes the ashwagandha blackberry adaptogen tonics, and I picked up 2 of those. I have a friend on here, big shout to you, Cheyenne, that suggested Nux Vomica. It is a homeopathic. I am not a doctor, but I'm taking that for my nausea during pregnancy, and it's been helping. I will admit it has been helping. I got some organic reduced sugar apple juice for the kids and some organic hummus. I got some whipped topping because I wanted to make some angel food cake for my husband. I thought it would be good with that raspberry sorbet. And then all the frozen foods were on sale for an incredible price. So I got the gnocchi, that was $2.15. I got some fried rice. The pizzas were on for $2.18, which is like unheard of. And then, star of the show, Rouse, normally $7.99, was on sale for $2.18. So I got the meat lasagna and then the penne vodka, just so my husband has some easy meals to pop in while I'm staying out of the kitchen. And then his favorite are these chocolate croissants. I think they're a bit overpriced. They're $8. Sure, I could make them on my own, but he really enjoys them. I'm going to get all of this put away. The point of the haul is showing you that all of this food will be eaten, and that is what I'm excited about. So after I get that done, I am just cleaning up as much as I can here. The kids are going through a phase where they're taking everything out, and it's making me realize how much we have that we don't need. So my first movement into minimalism was my closet, and then I went into the kids' closet and into the kids' clothing. So we asked the kids if they play with it. I look at it, if it's in good quality, if it's something that the new baby could play with. There's a lot of factors. We get a lot of gifts from family and friends, and it's so, so sweet. So I don't have the soul or heart to get rid of those things, but they go in a keepsake box. So that is what I'm doing right now. My goal is to set a timer for around 20 minutes here, listen to some Halloween music, and just get this organized. I went over by about 2 minutes here. I was explaining to Wilder what mummies were, so that was a fun parenting thing to go through. But one box has means of transportation: airplanes, buses, tractors, all of the things. This one has some wooden toys and then some things that we can take outside since it's near the door. So a baseball, it has a soccer ball in there, a basketball, and then just some tools that he plays with. And then this box here has toys that we are donating. I just want to clean them off before we donate them. So, and just go through them to make sure it's something that someone else would actually want. So we're going to take that to the Salvation Army here. And then I did want to show you those bags that I've been keeping in the car. I just hook them to the front door handle here so we can grab and go. But this is Wilder's. There's just little toys in there, and they hook around their cup holder. That way nothing falls. So I think it was a good hack. Thank you for whoever recommended that. Here we go. Let's go. What do you say?
Happy birthday.
No, not happy birthday. What does Ghostbusters say? I ain't afraid no ghosts. Are you ready to go get some fun candy and see the kids? Woo! Hey friends, it's the next day. We are headed to town to go to our little trunk or treat. Can you say hi, Why? What are you? A Ghostbuster, and Delilah's the Stay Puft Marshmallow. So we're really excited, and we have some fun plans today. So I don't know how much I'm gonna film, but I'm just filling you in on what's going on since we're just continuing this vlog. So we'll see you soon. Let's just see what we get into. It's very beautiful here in Colorado today, so you might see some really nice sights. Yeah. Here, walk slowly. We're gonna wait for Dad. Sis. Yay! Here, wait for Dad. You can't go in. Can't go in. What do you think? Nice. This is like Granddad's tractor, honey.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Everything that I own, yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say